If you want to move from AI art to actual AI filmmaking, you need a language that the model understands. Most AI filmmaking starts with image to video, which means creating a perfect, technically accurate image is actually half the battle.
Kai, the pressure is redlining. Cycle the shields.
I'm trying. The sand. It's already inside the terminal.
I've spent a lot of time gathering and testing these Nano Banana 2 templates. What makes this model special is how it handles technical cinematography. Hey everyone, Nova here. Thanks for all the amazing support lately. Today, I've gathered 20 specialized templates to give you total control over your AI films. The beauty is they're fill in the blank. I've built the technical framework, you just plug in your story. Use this as a reference for your next project. Let's dive in. I've broken this into a 6-phase roadmap. We start by mastering cinematography and identity locking to anchor your world and actors. Then we move into world building and storyboarding to map out every frame's physics. Finally, we handle multi-character staging and animation prep. First up, the wide establishing shot. Use this at the start of a scene to anchor your geography and scale. By filling the brackets with the technical keyword bank, you're telling Nano Banana 2 exactly how to handle the optics and the atmosphere. I've put all the templates and keywords in the description. In this example, a 14mm anamorphic lens and lower third horizon create massive scale. Adding volumetric dust and a Villeneuve grade gives it that heavy desert planet weight. It's your foundation for world building. Now swap the vibe. Switching to 6500 Kelvin cold light and an upper third horizon shifts the focus to the frozen terrain. Before moving on, remember, you don't need to be an expert on these keywords. Just feed them into the AI and it gives you the best possible prompt. Next is the emotional close-up. Use this for internal performance and micro-expressions. We switch to an 85mm prime lens to create an ultra-shallow depth of field, forcing the audience to focus solely on the character's soul. Template 3 is the dialogue 2-shot. This is where you anchor the relationship. We use a 50mm lens for natural proportions and locked eye lines to ensure the characters are actually looking at each other. Template 4 is for high-energy motion. By combining a low angle with strong perspective lines, you're forcing Nano Banana 2 to create a sense of speed. It's the difference between a static pose and a frame that feels like it's moving. Template 5 is the dramatic reveal. Use this to build mystery by hiding information in the shadows. By using negative space and chiaroscuro lighting, you're telling the audience that what they don't see is just as important as what they do. Template 6 is the macro detail. Use this to build world depth by focusing on the tiny things. By using a 100mm macro lens and razor-shallow depth of field, you're forcing the viewer to notice the textures they usually miss. Next is Template 7. Use this for high-energy shots that break the rules. By pulling Dutch angles and fish-eye lenses from the keyword bank, you create a bold, stylized look that's perfect for fast-paced sequences. Phase 2 is casting. To keep your character consistent, you need a genetic character sheet. I've provided 2 ways to do this: creating a character from scratch or using an uploaded image as a structural reference. Phase 3 is environment consistency. Just like Phase 2 locked your character, this locks your setting DNA. It creates a bubble for your location, ensuring every building, light source, and texture stays identical across your entire sequence. Okay, I'm fast-pacing phases 2 and 3, no technical notes to cover. Just a quick note, put the consistency core in every single prompt. Storyboarding is your visual roadmap. It's the only way to lock character consistency and test physics before you waste time on expensive video renders. It stops the AI from hallucinating. In the template, you anchor 3 things. framing for the edit's rhythm, action for logical movement, and technical specs. By locking the lens and lighting across every panel, you turn a random AI clip into a professionally directed sequence. That's the layout locked. With your storyboard as the blueprint, your timing and physics are now set in stone. Now let's move to next part. Phase 5 is multi-character directing, where we manage a full cast without them merging into a glitched-out AI soup. By staggering actors on the Z-axis and locking eye lines, you force the AI to respect their physical distance. Building on that space, triple reference staging bridges your unique character identities with your environment Bible, ensuring everyone truly belongs in the same world. For group dialogue, use triangular blocking. This depth sandwich creates a professional, big-budget cinematic feel. Finally, apply a lighting wrap to any physical contact so shadows hit correctly, and shared actions look grounded and real. Phase 6 is animation prep, and it is the final handoff for video models. This template is for creating first and last frame. Just cut that square right down the middle and use the two 16:9 panels as the first and last frame references in your video model. I really hope these templates help you build cinematic worlds you've been dreaming of. Thanks for hanging out today. Love you all, and I'll see you in the next one.